the Power Tool Company Setup Part 2. So we've had a look and filled in our contract and description items here. So we'll start this tutorial in the claim schedule area. Now there's going to be 5 payments, so 5 months worth of work, and the payments are going to be starting on the 25th of March 2010. Now the remaining payment claims are going to be also made on the 25th of every 1 month. Our retention periods down the bottom here are both worth 50%, so we'll change the first one there to 50, which will automatically change the second one. And our first retention amount is due on the 25th of September 2010. Our second amount is 1 year after that, so the 25th of September 2011. Once we've entered these dates, and these will all be in your contract, we can come over and select the Create Dates button there. And you'll notice up on the right we end up with a schedule of claims right down to our final payment, so you know exactly when you're going to use them. In the items section here we've got a number of headings across the top there, and they're going to relate to our items that we select. So we'll select the plus button here, and we can put an item in singularly, so we give it a description, and then we choose a quantity. So we just click the little box here and we can put a quantity in. So we've got 52 meters cubed, and the rate per meter cubed is 109, so this could well be concrete, and the amount here is 5,668, and you'll also see that down the bottom at our total value of the contract. So to delete one of these items, you can always press the X button, and that will delete it from your list. Now we can also import items, so we can come down to the Documents area here, and I've uploaded a little spreadsheet, and you'll see across the top that we've got description, quantity, unit of measure and rate, and that will fit neatly into our Power Tool when we upload. So we can come back to our contract items and import this spreadsheet, and this is from our My Documents area. So we'll have a look. We've got the spreadsheets here. I'll choose the Windows option and open that and load that into our items list. So once the file's loaded, you'll notice here that we've got 25 rows that have successfully loaded in, and you'll see those in our list now. So we'll just close off that box, and there they are. And they've all been detailed in the spreadsheet and crossed over neatly into the Power Tool. You can also amend these, so if you've got a list and you do need to change a couple of items once you've loaded it in, you can just go ahead and change those, and you'll see that it will also change the amount on the right, and it will also change the amount of the total contract down the bottom. So you'll also notice with the variations items, so variations, provisional sums and defects are not available at the moment. We do need to finalise our contract. So we can come over and save our contract now, and that will save all of the information in there. Once we're happy and it's been signed off and accepted, then we can finalise this contract, and this is going to set this contract as it is now. So you do have to get this right before you finalise. You'll notice that the basic items are now set, the description is now set, and our claim schedule is now available to make claims from. You'll also notice that the contract items, we'll have a look there, are also set, so we now can't change those. But what we can do is now include variations, provisional sums and defects, and we can see that by the button becoming available. And that is the completion of the thepowertool.com.au contract setup.